More money, more money, more money. What's good? So, in this video, I'm going to talk about what trading brokerage I think is the best for option traders. So, I'm biased. I think that the Tastyworks platform, and let me share my screen here, is the best for trading options. First and foremost, they have all of the statistics laid out, and they have it's $1 commission per contract. And then also they have videos on how to that kind of goes more into explanations. You can email to get more clarification. But I think just from a usability standpoint, um, Tasty Trade is the best um, platform out there. So obviously a little bit of history on Tasty Trade, and then of course I'm gonna go through a markup trade as well to kind of go through the platform. But Tasty Trade was originally um, formed by a few traders in Chicago that was on the pits in Chicago, like Scott Sheridan, Tom Snosdorf, and they had um, computer programmers form a strictly option platform just for option traders, and it was called Thinkorswim, and they ultimately got bought out by TD Ameritrade, and then they started a financial network called Tasty Trade, and then they went back, they got back into the brokerage game with now Tasty Works, which has been around for like the last, like I think since 2018, I believe so. But just let's look at Netflix right here. So once you click and you want to actually place a trade, and I am in the Android version, they have a downloadable version, they have a web-based version, which I pretty much don't like. So for those people who have smartphones, you can just trade on your phone. So it's gonna look like this. So the strategy that I like the best is going to sell puts, but you can do anything. You can buy stocks, you can do a calendar, you can do a J Lizard, which is you're selling the naked option and you're doing a cost spread above the current trading price. You could do a butterfly, you can do a cover call. So if you own, let's say, Netflix stock, you can sell calls against it to reduce your day's cost basis. You can buy and sell naked options. You can do iron condors, which is a call spread and put spread. You can do a straddle. You can do a strangle, and then also you can do verticals, which I do recommend. So I just think this platform is just so user friendly. It has the standard deviation line right here. It shows you the probability of profit. It's going to show you the max credit received for this trade. It's also going to show you the buying power reduction. And then also, this is going to be the margin requirement. So it lets you know you're selling put. It tells you again the strategy vertical. It tells you the actual stock price right here. And then also, it's going to show you the current trading place, which is 493. And then also, you can change the expiration date. And those who have been watching the videos know that I like to go out 45 days because that's when the option premium is going to decay at the fastest rate. And then also, it's going to let you know here the initial credit receipt for this is $2.40. But I like to go around the one standard deviation strikes and then also keep the strikes close together to reduce the margin requirement. So let's pull up the calculator, which you guys might not be able to see. So you guys probably won't see the calculator because I just have the app being shared. But let me do some quick math here. So this, um, I like to manage at 50% um, of the initial credit received. So 50% of the 140. So just the 140 divided by 2. So on this trade, I will look to make $70 and just divide that by the margin requirement. It's 360. So in this trade, you're looking at a 19% return on capital. And to get 50% of the 140, I would say you have the trade on for no longer than 15 days. So, but like obviously the 50% is a range. If the trade was to decay $50 in 2 days, I would take it off and put another trade back on. But with this here, we'll go send a review. Let me see. I don't know why it's not letting me send a review, but also has the probability here. The computer's having an issue that I gotta work out. Maybe because I'm screen sharing in the specific app, but I could put the trade on for the 150 credit. So that's pretty much. I just think that this application is super user friendly, um, and it's a super. It was designed for people to sell options, and there's a lot of liquidity. I don't have issues getting filled. Let me try one more time to see if we can. Oh, there we go. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so here it shows the two strike prices. You are selling the 450 and you are buying the 444. I like to keep the strikes really close together. So the commission, again, as you can see here, is $2, and the initial credit received is going to be 137.69, and then it has the probability, has your delta and your theta, and then the increase in probability if you were to manage to trade at 50%. So with that being said, like all of the statistics is really here. So like you're armed with a lot of technology and you can place this trade on your phone. So it's super easy. Obviously, trading options is not going to be a 40-hour thing. You could definitely do this part-time. But this video, I just really wanted to kind of break down why I thought the Tasty Works platform was the best. And then always, like always, I want to make sure it's investable takeaway. So I want to kind of show a put um, vertical put, selling the vertical put strategy in Netflix. So that's all, folks. And then also eventually, I'll have the link to the ebook on how to profit with option trading below. But then if you're in the options masterclass, you can just click to the next module.